survey taken by 50,000 people living in Africa, Asia, Europe, Australasia, North and South America tested the financial knowledge of adults in terms of basic principles like tax, risk and return, inflation and interest rates. Of the 30+ countries involved in the survey, South Africa was at the bottom of the list. Are you ready to make financial education your best investment? Hi, I'm Gabriel Botha, Head Tutor for the University of Cape Town's Investment Management online short course. In just 8 weeks, you learn to cut through the noise and distinguish the hype from reality when it comes to your own investment opportunities. Economic uncertainty and volatility in financial markets have led to the emergence of challenges and opportunities. New trends are impacting both the global and local investment industries, and as an investor, you may not trust your advisor to make investment decisions on your behalf. Do you want the financial and investment knowledge necessary to empower yourself and ultimately make your own investment decisions? You'll learn everything you need to know about the financial services industry, from financial markets, economics and offshore investments, to shares and other asset classes. When you successfully complete this course, you'll receive a certificate from the University of Cape Town, empowered locally to grow globally. Join me on this online short course backed by Africa's leading university and gain the confidence you need to personally take control of your own investment portfolio.